I got pancakes and maple syrup. But how did we get here? Well, let's do a little rewinding. Okay, alright, stop. Okay, so it all started with this tree in my backyard. It's a maple tree, and I thought to myself, could I make maple syrup from this? Well, the answer is yes, and I want to show you how I went about making maple syrup for the first time. First, I needed to drill a hole, so I got my 3/8 bit, got my drill, and I drilled a hole upward so I could fit a PEX fitting, a brass PEX fitting, as a makeshift spile, because I didn't want to buy one myself. And then I just used a Home Depot bucket to catch the sap. But as you can see, it was very leaky, and I lost a lot of sap because these PEX fittings were not meant to be spiles. As I started to collect sap, I needed to store it. So what did I have on hand? Growlers. So I filled up all my growlers full of sap, and then I stored them outside in an ice bucket. This way they didn't have to take up room in our fridge, but could still stay nice and cool. After collecting sap for a couple weeks, it was time to boil it all down. So we rigged up a system so we could boil most of the sap outside with wood fire. We also filtered the sap to get all the bugs and bark out of there. Now, watching the flame roar and the sap boil outside, it was time to bring what we had left indoors on the stovetop. And now we've been boiling the sap long enough where we're able to see it start to turn that amber color. And now we actually filtered it once more with a cotton cloth and prepared for this to become maple syrup. Now, we had to wait until it reached the boiling point of 7 degrees over 212. And once we hit that, boom, we had maple syrup. So, there you have it. That's how I made maple syrup from the tree in my backyard.